I am Anand Sivasubramaniam, Distinguished Professor in Computer Science at Penn State's College of Engineering. Computer science focuses on the study of computation, including its principles and foundations, its efficient implementation, its analysis, and its practical use in a wide variety of application areas. These areas include commerce, communication, entertainment, finance, healthcare, and the social, physical, and life sciences. Computer science students complete coursework in areas such as systems programming, programming languages, data structures and algorithms, operating systems, cybersecurity, machine learning, networking, and databases. Computer science graduates are in high demand in a wide variety of industries as software drives so much of the technology in the world today. Computer scientists design and build software ranging from small standalone applications to components of large complex systems. Penn State computer science majors typically take up careers in industry, research, or become entrepreneurs, leveraging their Penn State experiential knowledge in computational methods, systems and solution building, software development, and analysis of the performance, reliability, and security of real-world systems. Beyond teaching foundational concepts, our curriculum ensures that students gain the necessary skills to design, develop, evaluate, and analyze a wide spectrum of computational problems. Students leave Penn State prepared to be leaders in the rapidly changing field of computing throughout their careers. We have already seen how computer science advancements, whether it be the internet or cell phones or artificial intelligence, has really changed the world. This is just a prelude to what lays ahead of us in this very vast and very inviting field, and we need all the help we can get.
If you want to have an ability to affect people on a global scale, computer science is a great major for you. If you want to have an ability to create these artifacts that really affect people from anywhere from the US to, say, China, if you want an opportunity to affect structural change, maybe for, say, social injustices that you see in the world, computer science is a great major for you. So there are a lot of options and a lot of ways to really affect the world around you.
I would say every other field revolves around computer science. Every functioning unit in this world requires some amount of hardware and software.
Computer scientists really work on making algorithms more efficient, figuring out how you can do a specific task in the most optimized way possible. Computer engineers will more take that code and then apply it to the hardware. So if you have something like an FPGA board that you need to program something onto, the computer scientists may more focus on writing the code for that, but then the computer engineers will figure out how they can actually implement that onto one of those boards and figure out how the hardware and the software interact.
The types of classes in our major range everything from coding and machine code all the way up to high levels, things like artificial intelligence, security mechanisms.
There are plenty of research opportunities for undergrads in computer science, and CSE department has all the facilities to provide you undergrad research, and they love taking undergrads in their labs.
HackPSU is a 24-hour hackathon event. Basically, teams come from across the country. We had over 1,000 students at our last event, and they work on a programming project for 24 hours, and then they get to show it to sponsors, and they compete and win awards, which is really awesome. And it's cool to get involved with that because you get the event planning side of it, but also the technical side of it.
When I look around the industry right now, the thing that I think is most promising is what's going on with quantum computing, with the ability to have quantum computers set up across distances, across enterprises, across various system boundaries for very secure, very protected computing, as well as solving different kinds of problems in different ways.
But I think one other big thing that's really starting to come into the area and people are worried about when they create these systems is ethics. If you're really interested in the way that the systems affect the world around you, ethics in computer science is also a big area which is coming into its own as we move forward.
Even in my 4 years at Penn State, I'm just going to see so much change in the field, and I know that in my career there will always be something new to keep me entertained. I will never get bored in my job or be stuck or feel stagnant because that's just not how the field works. And I'm very passionate about being able to spread computer science to other people and help them realize that they can do it too and that they might love it, because it is a field that's really up and coming right now, and especially as a woman, I really want to help get more people involved in the major, so I just love the chance to both do that and also to know that my work will always be really impactful to the world and relevant to what's changing in our modern society.
Whether it be finding cures for deadly diseases, modeling the effect of greenhouse gases on climate change, building robots for the factories of tomorrow, or building headsets for the next generation of games, computer scientists are at the heart of it all.